As the holiday season approaches, many are seeking ways to boost their immune systems and fend off pesky colds. Experts suggest that the timing of certain supplements can be crucial in enhancing their effectiveness during this period. First on the list is vitamin C, known for its immune-boosting properties, especially when taken at the onset of symptoms. Next, zinc is highlighted for its role in supporting a healthy immune response and reducing the duration of colds. Lastly, elderberry is praised for its potential to shorten the duration of cold symptoms and enhance overall immunity.